Hello, my name is Chef Mark Seibert from Lackawanna College's Kiesendall School of Hospitality. I'm currently standing in one of our teaching kitchens that we use for our culinary arts program. Over the past few years, our program here at Lackawanna College has been steadily growing to the point where we actually need more space to continue servicing our students. This fall, that dream of expansion is finally coming true. We're able to move to a new facility on Adams Avenue, which expands our physical space on campus and the types of programs we can offer. This building is our brand new facility at 409 Adams Avenue. This space will allow us to expand our current culinary arts programming as well as house our brand new Baking and Pastry arts program. This facility will also include our long-awaited restaurant space, which will provide our students with real-time industry training for all of our associate's degree programming, including hospitality management. We are all very excited about what our new facility has to offer to our current students at Lackawanna College or anyone considering a career in the hospitality industry. If you're already an industry professional with an associate's degree and are in need of further education to advance your career, we've also added bachelor's degree programming in restaurant and food service management. If you'd like more information about any of our associate's or bachelor's degree programs, visit our website at lackawanna.edu. You can also reach Sarah Grandy, our recruitment and transition coordinator, at 570-504-7953 or grandys@lackawanna.edu.